How do you differentiate yourself when compared to other law firms in terms of ability to navigate the legal process and issues that might arouse in any particular case?
You know, I've worked with other lawyers on some co-defendant cases, and I find some of their routines to be rather questionable in terms of the initial evaluation of a case. I think there's a tendency for a lot of young and inexperienced lawyers to make a lot of erroneous assumptions about whether or not legal issues can be challenged without doing the proper research to determine if they can be challenged. I think every case you have to start with the indictment and or complaint, pull the grand jury transcripts, evaluate them to determine if my client's constitutional rights were violated and in accord with the due process constitutional rights. The second issue is to ensure that you gather all the discovery and you actually review the discovery. I mean, every line in a police report, every audio video surveillance, every body-worn camera by the police, interview the witnesses, interview the police officers before you make an evaluation on a case as to what trial strategy and the direction that you're going. I think a lot of lawyers just simply don't do the work in the case, and that's what separates us from other lawyers and our law firms. And that has a tremendous impact on resolving the case in the best interest of your client, or forcing your client to take a plea, unfortunately to do time in prison and or jail, or have a permanent felony conviction that the client should not take because the case was not properly evaluated, investigated, researched, and the proper trial strategies were not created. And I think that's the simple answer to your question.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Yeah, cool.